Good day po sa lahat. I am Engineer Oliver C. Silvano, the developer of the SilVerTek Learning Management System. For today's video, I am going to create a tutorial on how we can address the problem encountered when we are going to create our summative test using the SilVerTek Learning Management System question bank features. The problem is there are not enough difficult and average questions for question bank A. The main reason for that is questions are only harvested from the evaluation part of the unified lesson plan submitted to the division, and most of them are easy type questions only. Okay, the solution is that we are going to create additional questions for difficult and average question type. Okay, to do that, I will be showing to you first the problem. Okay, so to do that, I am going to open the SilVerTek Learning Management System. And then, say for example, I have here advisory class, and I am going to create a summative test. So I'm going to open this icon here, the question bank, and here comes the question bank environment. So at first, the question bank is empty, so we need to upload the questions. And but before that, we need to browse first the SilVerTek the SilVerTek Learning Management System community forum through this link, https net LMS board. Okay, so after that, we need to log in. So it is expected that you have already um, registered, and that your account is already activated in this community forum. So mine is this is my account, and I'm going to enter the password and then click sign in for me to be able to log in the system, the community forum. So after that, I am going to look for the test item bank, and say for example grade 6, and then APP. I've heard that this APP has this problem, so I'm going to download that APP. So I am going to look from the list here the grade 6 EPP. Okay, I have already found this link, so I'm going to click that link, and then after that I'm going to download that JSON file in this blue .json file. So by clicking this one, and then here it comes the downloaded file. So if I'm open that in my folder, so there is in the downloads from the downloads folder. So I'm going to load this file to the learning management system question bank. Okay, so I will go back to the SilVerTek, and then click on this upload questions, and after that navigate on downloads, and then on this file, the one that I've downloaded earlier, and then click on open. And okay, there are 59 questions uploaded. Okay, so this one. So I'm going to select all of these questions, and I can see here that there are 53 easy questions, and there are 6 average, and there is no difficult questions. So therefore, we need there could be there will be a problem in generating the questionnaire and also the uh TOS, because for the TOS we need to enter 60% of the questions should be easy, and then 30% of the questions should also be average, and 10% should be difficult. So say for example, we are going to create a 40 items questions. So say for example, we are going to enter expected total items here in this text field. Say for example 40, and after that click on this filter questions here, and we can see that in our expected question distribution we should have 24 AC questions, and then average 12 questions, and difficult 4. But the problem is we don't have difficult. So as for the average questions, we have 6. So maybe we can choose only no, we need 12 also average type of questions, and and difficult questions 4. So we need to actually um we need to create additional for that, so that we can generate the questionnaire and downloaded at TOS successfully. Okay, to do that, we need to add we need to add those questions. So we are going to take advantage on this feature, edtech tools quiz maker. So we're going to click this quiz maker, and then after that, I have here pre-created questions. I'm just going to click on new, and then just you want to save, just click on no, and here it comes. Wala na po tayong walang laman. Okay, but before that, we are going to open our that JSON files that we downloaded earlier. So we are going to click this one, open. Again, click this open, and then browse for that file that you downloaded earlier, and then click on open. After that, so for example, I want to add difficult questions for this competency. So what I'm going to do is I will just copy the code, and then look for Microsoft Word. Let's say I'm going to open new blank Microsoft Word and copy that code. After that, I we need also to copy the learning competency, and then excuse me, copy that one, the competency, and then we need also to copy the content lesson. Okay, because we will be needing this information later on. Okay, and also the taxonomy, no need for that. And then after that, you just need to copy all the learning competencies that you are going to use, or your uh, okay, but for this demonstration, I will just only use this learning this information, or the first competency. Okay, after that, I'm going to click on new, and then yes, no lang. So you can see we have an empty quiz here. Okay, and then as for the questions, since I don't have any questions on grade 6 EPP, so I will be just using an AI for me to create the questions. Okay, say for example, the AI that I am using is the GPT dot H2O. You can see H2O. Okay, I have here. I have done GPT H2O GPT, or the GPT dot H2O dot EI. Okay, so I'm going to click that one to browse that EI, and after that, I am going to ask the AI to create me a question. So I have here created questions, the query. Okay, I will be copying this one, and then and here I'm going to paste, so that I will be whatever copy. So I will read to you um the query. Okay, create a 10 items multiple choice questions with answer. Ito po importante, with answer dapat, para yung questions na ibibigay niya sa inyo ay may answer na. And the taxonomy is evaluating based on the following competency. So ito po yung competency na kinapi ko kanina. This one, identify family resources needs, resources and needs, this one. So after typing that one, just click on enter, and then wait for a while for the AI is generating that question for you. Okay, take note, all the questions created here are all difficult questions. So we will just wait this AI to finish creating that difficult questions. Okay. So I am asking here to create evaluating taxonomy. Since evaluating taxonomy, we take a look at with our question bank. evaluating and creating questions belongs to difficult question types. Okay, so I think it's not done yet. Okay, number 3 pa. This one is number 3. So anyway, I have already created here uh questions. I have already in this tab, the AI has already finished creating the questions. Okay, so say for example, yeah, there are 4 outputs, so you just select which of the questions you want. No, so for my demonstration, I am going to use this first output. So I just need to copy this one by clicking on this icon, copy icon. After that, I am going to copy paste it here in the new Microsoft Word, and then control V or right click and then paste, and here comes the questions and with answers. Okay, so I will just copy these questions to the SilVerTek Learning Management System EdTech Tools Quiz Maker. So I'm going to click this Quiz Maker, and then I'm going to add multiple choice. So click multiple choice part, and then for the code, ito yung sinabi ko na we will use this information later. So I will be copying that code, and then also the competency. I need to copy the competency. This one, and of course the subject matter or the content. I'll copy this one, and then also the content. Okay. After that, I am going to select the taxonomy, which is evaluating. And then I will be copying the questions from here. So for question number 1, I will be just copying that one. Copy and paste lang po. Mabilis. So the main thing here is we need to satisfy all this information, because if we are going to load that these questions or question bank, it will look for this information. And if any case that there are missing information, then it will not allow the questions to be loaded in the question bank. Okay, so bibilisan ko na po para mas mabilis, kasi haba po masyado yung video natin. So choices dito po natin ilagay, and another we have also this one, copy and paste lang. Okay. The answer for this one is letter D. So I need to also to change the answer key D. Okay, after that, we just need to duplicate para ang rason po ay hindi na po tayo mag-entry ng information na to. And then we will just change the questions. Go for number 2, and then copy that number 2, and then change the options, copy and paste lang din po. I think I just need here four questions. So 4 lang po yung gagawin ko for the difficult. I'll be adding this one. Anyway, ito po yung ginagawa ng uh, LMS Nexus. Mahirap po talaga, kaya we should be thankful for them. Okay? The answer is letter C. So I'm going to click on that letter C, and then again duplicate this one, and then change the questions for number 3. Okay, number 3. And then again the options. Anyway, kung meron po kayong mga pre-created questions, you can skip using AI in creating a questions. Okay, after that, and then the last, the answer is letter D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay. Copy again for the last questions. So for number 4, I am going to these questions. Number 4. Okay, babalikan ko yung number 3 kasi may sumubra na that period. Okay. Back number 4. And then copy and paste the options. These are the options. Options are, you remove that extra period. And then so the answer for this one is letter C. So here, the answer is letter C. I'm going to select that letter C, the third questions. Okay, I mean the third options, and I'm done with the difficult. So this time I am going to let the EI create me an average question. For average questions, we take a look at with the question bank. State here that average question types are application and analyzing. So I am going to create an application. So for example, I will be ito na lang po. Magre-refresh po ako para empty po yung result. Okay? So my query here is to create 6 items, multiple choice questions with answers, of course, answer, and the taxonomy is application based on the following competency. Okay, shift enter po para bababa, and then I'm going to create copy this competency, and I'm going to paste it here, and after that hit enter, and then we will wait for a while so that the AI will create me an average type of questions for that competency. Okay, there are only 6 with answer. Medyo matagal po siya ng konti. Ito tapos na. Ito na lang ang gagamitin ko. Okay? Again, I will copy that questions and then click on file and then new, and then paste that one by pressing Ctrl V, and then I will be copying these questions again, and then I will be going back to edit tools and then speaker, and we have here difficult questions, and we can still add that one, and ang gagawin ko lang po ay duplicate ko lang din kasi same naman po yung code, same din po yung learning competency, and then also the content lesson. Okay, pwede naman po na iba, pero for this demonstration ito lang po yung gagamitin ko para mas mabilis. Okay, after that I am going to change the questions and then paste that questions, remove that number, and then I am going to again copy the we have money, food, education. So I'm going to copy money. Okay, parang mas mabilis pa kung magta-type. We have food, we have also education, and for the last one is furniture. Okay, furniture, and the answer is education. That's for letter C. Furniture daw. Okay na po yung answer natin, letter C. Okay, then we are going to duplicate that questions, and then we will copy that number 2. So it is expected that I can create a 10 items multiple choice. Okay, so replace the questions, and after that click on that one, and then copy the questions. Ito lang po, mabilis lang po talaga ito. medyo matatagalan lang ako ng konti kasi um, marami yung ginagawa ko na questions 10 items and then nag-explain pa ako tapos nagsi-search pa ako ng questions. But if you have already your questions, then I choose not better. The answer is letter C again, clothing and shelter. And then add duplicate, and then create another input this question number 3, and then again copy this one, select and copy, and then the choices are, we have money, food, health, transportation. So money, money, food, health, transportation. Okay? Copy ko na lang yung transportation. Anyway, hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung sagot. Okay, the answer is health to transportation. So letter C again. Lahat po ata letter C. Hindi ko na. Okay. We have also number 4. Copy this one at last. We're almost done with creating the questions. Okay. And then the answer for this one is letter B na. Okay. So I'm going to change that automatic para hindi maiwasan natin yung mali. Okay. Copy and paste lang po. Ito lang po yung ginagawa natin. Okay, and we're down for the last 2 questions. Okay, next questions. We have this 4 questions. Number 5 here. Okay, change that one. Copy and paste. Wala po tayong ibang ginagawa dito. Copy and paste lang po. The answer here is letter A. So I'm going to change the answer key directly. Okay, the answer is letter A. That one. And then okay. Siya. Okay, last questions. One. And then we have the human resource, material resource. Which is it? Going to material. And then the answer for this one is letter C, non-material resource. And then the last option. Okay. Okay, and we're done entering our questions. So hopefully magkakasya na po yung AC, average at saka difficult. After that, we're going to save that JSON file. Click on save, and then dito ko lang po siya isi-save sa downloads, and then lalagyan ko po siya ng file name. Lalagyan ko po siya ng file name. Additional questions. Any file name po pwede. Anyway, this is just only for identification. Okay, after that, we are going to click on classes, and then click on your class, and then question bank, and then upload that additional questions. So that's in downloads, and then additional questions, and then click on open, and it says that there are 10 questions were successfully added. So we're going to select all that questions by clicking on this icon, this checkbox here. So let's say I click that one. So let's wait for a while. Yeah. Para malalaman po natin yung actual questions distribution, malalaman po natin kung ilan na po yung average, AC, and difficult. Okay? Yan, subukan natin bakit ayaw niya. Ayan. So it says that there are 69 selected questions, and we can have okay. I'm sorry. I forgot to change the taxonomy here. So it says in here we should I should change the taxonomy here from evaluating, starting from number 5 to application. So, yan po na nakalimutan ko. So, say for example, gagawin ko na lang ulit. I will be just changing that into application. Also, this one, application. Okay, yan po. Kasi nga, nagdo-duplicate lang tayo. Tapos, nakalimutan ko siya. Application. Dapat ganito po, application. Okay. After that, I wanna save that one. And then, I will just overwrite that additional questions. And then, okay. And then, yes. Okay. Then, balik po tayo dito sa classes natin. Tapos, question bank. And then, siselect po natin to lahat. I-delete ko na lang po to. Kasi may mali doon sa questions. And then, I will upload all the questions. So, first, ito po, yung TLA, BP, yung dinownload natin kanina. From the community forum, state 59 questions were uploaded. And then, click also this additional questions to load that questions. And then, 10 questions were successfully added. Okay. After that, we will select this one. Okay, and here comes that we have here, we have already actual, lahat po ng questions na uploaded dito sa questions bank, nasa-select na po natin. So, we have here 53 easy questions and we have also 12 average and 4 difficult. So, we are going to create 40 items. Click here. So, sobra-sobra po yung easy natin. Difficult, sakto lang po. And also, average, sakto lang po. So, makakapag-generate na po tayo dyan ng questionnaires at saka TOS. I think that will solve the problem. And again, thank you for watching and have a good day.